Alright, so I saw this at Costco, right? Limited summer flavor. And here you can see Lay's summer BLT flavor. So let's see. It somehow has a lettuce tomato smell. I guess they somehow put some lettuce flavor in there. Let's see what it tastes like. It really does taste like a BLT. I approve. Alright. If you guys see this and you like BLTs, give it a taste. Tastes pretty good. And yep, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So now we're going to do a blind taste test. I'm going to let my brother try it without knowing what flavor it is and see if he can tell. Let's see if he's anywhere close. Alright, try this and let me know what you think it tastes like.
Okay, what are these chips?
Yep, I won't tell you what flavor it is. What does it taste like? Can you tell? Guess some flavors.
Some kind of green onion?
Green onion. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's multiple flavors mixed. Just tastes like green onion.
Just kind of tastes a little bit like a sour cream potato.
Sour cream potato? Okay,
and cheese.
Let's see. I have to try and think of a hint to give you that won't give it away. Okay, it's a type of sandwich. That's probably gives it away too easily.
BLT?
Yeah. Does it taste like one? I taste like lettucey tomato.
Bacon, but I don't know about tomato and lettuce.
It smells like it. Smell it. To me, it smells like lettuce and tomato. It's like, what the?
Yep, just tastes like a salty potato.
Smells early. Salty potato. I mean, it's
Basically,
mostly
like
potato.
It's just like if you put bacon and potatoes. Like when we had the breakfast thing.
Oh, I guess.
But no eggs. It just tastes like a hash brown with lots of bacons.
Okay, so my brother says it tastes like bacon potatoes. Alright, here, you can have these.
Okay.
Alright, so my brother said it just tastes like bacon and potatoes, which I guess it's hard to get a tomato and lettuce flavor in a dry chip, so I don't know. But knowing what it is, I guess you can taste it. Anyways, that's that. See you guys later. Bye.